Hello everybody, welcome to another vlog. Today it's me, Pierre Farrugia and Sharon Randic. We are in Gozo and today we're going to take you all the beaches there are around here. The most beautiful beaches, right? Today we have a quad bike which we rented from Quad Bike Hire Gozo. We'll put a link below. He was very gentle with us as well and showed us the area. So let's start exploring this area. I'm new to this thing, so I have to learn. Put it on, then I have to press this one, and here we go. Look the view from here, in front of me there is Blue Lagoon. How nice it is, Now we are here at Honda Urumin. One of the good things about here, there's sandy beach where you can jump. There's you can hire kayaks, boats, jet skis. And here is this very good restaurant here, which you will get one of the best bacon, egg. What we have here, share? Hannah, compare it to yourself. Make it close to you.
With bacon.
Look how big it is, yeah? Amazing. And our favorite, kidney, yeah? So let's start eating. On this side you can see the beach here at Honda Urumin. The sea is beautiful, crystal clear. There are some water sports here. In front of me there's Camino. And now I will jump and join Sharon there with her nice cocktail. I have to jump in so I can cool a little bit here and join Sharon and take some of her cocktails because she's drinking a cocktail. So let's jump in. There's the beach here, Sharon, you know we came here to swim, not to take cocktails. After the breakfast you are doing a cocktail. Huh? Mala, show them the cocktail. So you're taking like a cereal.
Pineapple.
Because it's with pineapple.
Yes, very well designed from here, from the Urumin.
Now we are in Dahlet Orrot Bay and we have Sharon going down around. This time she's going first. You can see the color of this is beautiful here. These are the fishermen's houses, boat houses, and there is Mr. Rocks. Remember, who wants to see, I have 3 videos going all around the coast of Gozo. What do you think of these beautiful beaches we are going today, or bays? I don't know how to call them, but look how beautiful it is. So now it's me who have to jump number 2, beach number 2 or bay number 2. 1, 2. Now we have reached Ramla Bay. Here is one of the biggest and most famous beaches here. Look, there's a lot of shops. You can eat, drink, public toilets here. Because of the sand they made this board you can walk on. You like here, Sharon?
Yes.
With a slush, It's always better because it's super hot. We are getting burned. But it's fun, this quad. What do you think, Sharon?
We are applying sunscreen.
Exactly. And this is beach number 3,
Yes, this is the 3rd one.
Beach number 3. This is called Ramla Al-Hamra because of this red sand. And if you look up there, this is my ice cream. Up there, there's Mishta Cave. I did a video of there last time. It was super windy. As I told you before, this is beach number 3. It's Ramla Bay or Ramla Al-Hamra. Look. And here Malta is very big. So obviously now we're going to go in because it's super hot. We're going to go to so now I will take a look at it. This is 360 degrees of the bay here. And we have Sharon again. Sharon with the blue lips, look. Because she was saying granita blue color. It's nice here. We are enjoying, and this was her idea that we go so many beaches. So now let's dip inside the water, cool down, and we had to a new beach. But here there's a lot of pebbles as well. Now we have reached Marsalforn area. How nice it is. But normalmente there's Marsalforn Bay, but we are going here. What is called Ar Aula. It's a nice place that we are going now. So let's go, Sharon. I'll follow you. Now we have reached our bathing spot, which is Ar Aula in Marsalforn. Look how nice it is. It's like a small island there. It's a sheltered bay. There's a shop where you can buy drink and umbrellas and lectures. And here, very nice area. And we're going to have swim number 4. So let's go. What do you think about this place? Sharon, nice, oh?
Yes, it is clean, the water.
It's very crystal clear, the water, look. Even the place is nice, huh? I like it here. Well, here we are at Schweine Bay, the other side of Marsalforn. It's this nice bay there. It's full of saline, it's called, where the Maltese produce salt naturally. Here is this small bay. It's a nice bay. And the most characteristic part of this bay is that small hill there that characterize this area, and even how the rock formation here. It's very nice. It's nice here as well, look. Now this is already a record for me, the most beaches I've done in a single day in my whole life. And we have a lot more to go.
We are in a challenge.
This is dip number 5.
Number 5.
So, and to be a dip, we have to go at least to neck height. To count. So one.
It's better when it is exactly
Jump,
from the ladder you come into deep water.
Here I'm going out,
Like
and it's getting shallower.
A little by little.
I have to go this way. So I'm going. Oh, but it's nice, eh? Here it's more than 40 degrees Celsius in the shade, so getting into cooler water, and it's not cold, eh? So those people who want to come holiday here, it's worth it. Come.
And you should do it with the quad bikes too.
Yes, the quad bikes was a very nice idea of sharing. That with the quad bike we go all the swimming areas of Gozo. So till now we are on target, I think, but we still have a lot to do. We have another, I think, 5 to do, huh? But we'll do them. So it will be a very...
While we were driving, we were having fresh air.
Well, and this is going to be a unique video, I think. There's no video with all these beaches around Gozo. So let's swim more. Like all bays we did till now, we are at Schweine. Here we can find normal bar full, and here on the beach you can see it from here. One can hire umbrellas, deck chairs and so on. So till now, every beach we went.
Yes, every beach we went. Also, especially we just have a small swim and go and find a shade.
But beer and our cheesecake, Maltese cheesecake. That's some nice music. And now the next spot is one of the best we will have today, yeah? What do you think, Sharon? But we will not tell them. They will find out. But it's one of the best. You can go here. are here with
the last three.
with the last three. So this is one of the best beaches you can have in Gozo, and we still have where to buy some drinks, because in Malta everywhere we go we have to get some beer, some cocktails, some alcohol, some like many of you, like many other countries. But here is spectacular. You check out my video, there's a whole video about this place, but today we cannot make the most beautiful places to swim in Gozo and not come here. What do you think, Sharon?
Of course, this is one of the best places to visit. You cannot miss.
And we cannot miss to jump because it's hot again.
It's special.
Yes, it's special here. So I will show you why. Here the only drawback you have here, you have to go out all these stairs, and coming up you can hear me puffing. As each video I do here. Yeah, there's people camping here, but look this spot, how nice it is. So I will show you from down here. Here it's beautiful, this is.
It's very silent and
Yes. Yes, very romantic here. But I think right now there will be a lot of people. But look, so I will show you from down there. Here you can see the beach, or the valley, which ends in a beach, and the color of water is fantastic, and beautiful valley as well. So now let's go and have a swim. Now we have reached beach number 6 with El Asri, one of the most beautiful beaches you can find here in Gozo. Look at the color of the sea and how it is between the two valleys. The color is magnificent, eh? Yeah, Sharon? Nice, eh? Here. And this is swim number 6, yeah? And look how high it is here. Here is all pebbles, so that's why she is going here and there. She's feeling it cold. Let's make it light. Para, hoop. Going from beach to beach, we are consuming a lot of energy and carbs today. So we need to take carbohydrates, a lot of carbohydrates. So, share. Yeah, open.
Let me open it for you.
And this is our Maltese carbohydrates. So, I'm not sponsored by Chisk. Where is your carbohydrate?
Yes, I have one too.
And for our subscribers and viewers, cheers. Yeah?
Yes.
Hope we come to Malta and enjoy like us. Yeah? What do you think?
This is Gozo, by the way.
Gozo is part of Malta. We love them both too. True. With the Asri is ready. An important thing, we always take the rubbish with us. We don't leave things here. And if you see this paper here, a foreign lady came and told me going to put them in a trash bin. Can I put it so you put them away? She collect them from the sea, which is a very nice example. Huh? We need more tourists like her. What do you think, Sharon? No? She's coming because she's getting cold now. Well, let's have the last look at this beautiful valley and beach, and now we're off to another beautiful place. But this next beautiful place, we lost an important feature of it, and when we'll get there you will know what I'm talking about. So let's continue going up, and me because all these stairs I'm getting cold. Don't share it, don't worry. After Google Maps took us in the countryside and into a quarry, finally we reach Dueira, and instead, like other times we do inland sea, this time we're going to go for the blue hole and do a jump into the blue hole and see how it is. Before I used to dive, but now been many years that I don't go there. Unfortunately, we are not going to find the Azur window we had before because it collapsed a couple of years ago. But let's see what we find. This is the way to the blue hole. You have some steps, but you have to scramble a little bit here and there. But it's very nice, huh? Here we have made it to the blue hole. Look, here is one of the best sunsets you can have, huh? So now we are moving on the rocks. And here, this is the famous blue hole. Here we are moving on this part, very close to the blue hole. The blue hole is up there. So we're going to jump in it soon. But till now we put our things here and then we go to jump. It's nice, yeah, here. Look at the famous Azur window was there like this and like this. But we lost it. Look how nice it is. Well, here is very famous for diving. And this is called the blue hole because if you dive in it, there is like an arch opening. And you, from here, you go in open sea, which is very nice. And if you go to this side, if I'm not mistaken, to this side, you will find a big cave. So now we'll just jump in and have a look and see what we can see from up here, because I used to go diving here and not like this. And I think this is swim number 7 today, the 7 site. So this is swim number 7. Finally, we have arrived to the last destination. I think this is swim number 8, and this is called Mjar Shini. Look how beautiful it is. Amazing, yeah? So now, let's dip into the sea so we finish it up. Well, now this is the last dip we're going to do today in this beautiful bay. I'm feeling it cold now, but look how beautiful and peaceful it is here. It's amazing. Look how calm the sea and the cliffs. We couldn't. I had to skip 2 places at least. Shlende for sure, and I think it's another place, Shat Lahmar. But if any of you know any good other places, please comment below. What do you think here? Beautiful, eh? So let's do the proper dip, because like this doesn't count that I have swim. Nice, yeah? Beautiful, eh? Cannot complain. Look how beautiful it is, eh? Especially here with the sun going down. So now I will go up, change and head home. I have to thank again Quad Bike Hire Gozo. I will put a link below, because he was patient with us today, so we can do this vlog. Thank you very much. Hope you enjoyed this vlog. We have been to about 8 beaches and swimming spots, because they're not beaches. We're going to end the vlog here. As I told you before, if you know any other places, Shlende I know about it, and the Shat Lahmar as well, but the others I don't know. Please comment below. I have to thank again Gozo Quad Hire. I will put the link below, because he was very patient with us and helped us. If it was not because of his patience, we'll skip 2 at least, because We ended up late. Look,
You
it's
gave us
8:30.
time.
You gave us time. So thank you. Please like and subscribe and comment below. Until next time, bye bye.
Bye.